But here's a look at your weather headlines. Temperatures reaching the mid to upper 70s for most. If we stay dry this afternoon during the daytime hours, we could be pushing 80. But there is some question surrounding when the storms move in. There's a line of showers and thunderstorms that will be moving in tonight. That's looking likely. What there's more uncertainty around is an afternoon round of showers and thunderstorms. That's possible, but it may stay to our north. And if it does, that's when we're going to see our warmest temperatures. And then everyone will see that rain and storm threat moving in tonight. Colder air will arrive by early next week, though, so don't get too used to these upper 70s. We're going to be in the low 40s. Yes, almost a 40-degree temperature difference for next Monday. Temperatures out there right now, though, it is mild in most of the region. 57 Lexington, Richmond, Mount Vernon, Jackson also at 57. A little bit cooler as you head towards southern Kentucky. Manchester, our coldest spot at 41, 42 right now in Monticello. Taking a look at clouds and radar across the region, this is that line of showers and thunderstorms that we are watching. And I will say it's coming in a little bit further south than what some of the model data was suggesting. So as this moves eastward, that's the question. Is it going to be south of the I-64 corridor, right along I-64, or is it going to stay north? We'll be watching the trends with that line as it moves eastward on if we'll see an afternoon and evening severe weather threat. There's going to be another round right ahead of that cold front. That's going to move through overnight and give us that overnight chance of showers and thunderstorms. So watch here. This is Futurecast. Notice how it doesn't even have that round of storms into eastern portions of Kansas and into Missouri. So that is, again, something we are watching. It has some storms to our north during the afternoon hours today. But again, I expect that to be a little bit further southward, at least impacting far northern Kentucky. Then we get a little bit of a break after that round moves through, and then the bulk of the action moves in after midnight into early tomorrow morning. Could see some strong wind gusts with this, some lightning, some torrential downpours possible within the heaviest part of this storm, and that's likely going to lead to some wet conditions on the roadways to begin your day on Friday. But as the day progresses, the front moves east. We'll just be left with some isolated scattered showers into the afternoon hours before we see a little bit of a drop in temperatures into early Saturday morning. Going to start the day into the mid-30s, but then into the afternoon we should recover nicely as skies clear out a little bit on Saturday. The severe weather threat today. Areas north of Lexington, that's where we have that level 1 risk. Don't be surprised to see that level 2 or slight risk shift a little bit further southward, given where we can expect those storms during the afternoon. Central Kentucky, your main severe weather risk will be as that line moves through overnight into tomorrow morning, where we could see some damaging wind gusts. Future rainfall totals, widespread ½ to an inch, with some heavier amounts possible within those downpours. I think our flood risk is lower than what we could see in terms of that strong wind gust threat. Rain chances over the next 5 days, scattered to widespread early Friday. We get a break Saturday, Sunday, and then notice that 30% on Monday. It's actually a rain-snow mix possibility as that colder air moves on in. So as I said, Monday afternoon high is going to struggle to reach the low 40s. Could sneak in a few snowflakes during that time period as well, and that northerly wind is going to keep us cold even into your Tuesday as well. Looking at your full 7-day forecast, we've got storms possible this afternoon. Bulk of the rain moves in late tonight into early Friday. Saturday, Sunday, trending drier, so that's some good news for your St. Patrick's Day weekend. Monday, yeah, it's going to be a cold one, not too fun there. Low 40s, the first day of spring, which spring doesn't officially start till 11:06 Tuesday night, but still feeling a little chilly into the upper 40s before we warm up a tad by Wednesday.